Grandpop Tester and Evaluator from WiseHooterLearning. Welcome you to another of the learning videos we made for you. We make these videos about animals, insects, technology, and space because we love learning as much as you do. So whether you are 4 or 104, it's time to sit right back, snuggle up with a pillow, and enjoy the show. If you would like us to do a shout out to you, your child, your friend, or your school or town in a future video, please email us at wisehooterlearning@yahoo.com and we will do our best to make that happen in a future video. Remember to have fun learning.
Greetings, space explorers. Today we're embarking on an epic adventure to Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system, and you are on board. Buckle up as we explore its magnificent rings, mysterious moons, and uncover the secrets this gas giant holds. Our mission? To learn all about Saturn. We'll dive into its atmosphere, study its unique composition, and get up close and personal with those dazzling rings. Along the way, we'll uncover the history of Saturn's discovery, from ancient observations to modern-day explorations. Get ready for fascinating facts, space trivia, and maybe even a space joke or two. Our chariot awaits. We'll be cruising in a state-of-the-art spacecraft equipped with the latest spacefaring technology. Think warp speed, but with extra comfy seats and a snack bar. Space snacks, anyone? First, we'll swing by our celestial neighbor, the Moon, for a quick gravity assist. Then, it's on to the red planet Mars for a glimpse of its rusty surface. Of course, no cosmic road trip is complete without a visit to the king of the planets, Jupiter. We'll marvel at its great red spot and maybe even catch a glimpse of its many moons. Get ready for liftoff. Our journey to Saturn promises to be an unforgettable experience, filled with awe-inspiring sights and mind-blowing discoveries. So, are you ready to explore the wonders of Saturn? Fasten your seatbelts, hold on tight, and let's blast off on this incredible cosmic adventure. As we leave Earth's atmosphere, the blue marble shrinks behind us, and the vast expanse of space stretches out before us like a black canvas sprinkled with diamond dust. Our first pit stop, the Moon. We're not landing this time, just using the Moon's gravity to slingshot us further into space. It's like a cosmic game of swing ball, but instead of a wiffle ball, it's our spacecraft. Even from afar, the Moon is a sight to behold. Its cratered surface tells a tale of billions of years of cosmic collisions, a silent testament to the history of our solar system. As we bid farewell to our celestial neighbor, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and excitement for the adventures that lie ahead. Next stop, the red planet Mars. Martian Chronicles. Hold on to your hats, space cadets, because we're approaching Mars. The red planet looms larger in our view screen, its rusty red surface a stark contrast to the inky blackness of space. Mars has always captured our imaginations with dreams of ancient civilizations and little green men. While we haven't found any Martians yet, we have discovered evidence of past water on Mars, suggesting it may have once been habitable. Look, down below, you can spot the Valles Marineris, the largest canyon system in our solar system. It's so grand, it makes the Grand Canyon look like a tiny ditch. We're not landing this time, but our robotic emissaries are already there, exploring the Martian surface and searching for signs of past or present life. Jovian Adventures. Prepare for a visual feast, space fans, because we've arrived at the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. This gas giant is a showstopper, with its swirling clouds of red, orange, yellow, and brown. Just look at that magnificent great red spot. That's a storm bigger than Earth that has been raging for centuries. Talk about some serious weather. Jupiter is like the solar system's very own mini solar system. It boasts a whopping 95 known moons, each with its own unique characteristics. However, there are likely many more smaller ones that may be discovered. By the time you watch this at home, they may have found more. Some scientists believe that Jupiter's moon Europa, hidden beneath its icy shell, might even harbor life. As we swing around Jupiter, using its immense gravity to hurl us toward our final destination, we can't help but feel a sense of anticipation. We're finally on the home stretch. Next stop, Saturn. Ringside seats. Fasten your seatbelts, space explorers, because we're about to witness the crown jewel of our solar system, Saturn's rings. Get ready to be dazzled as we approach this celestial masterpiece. From afar, the rings appear solid, like a giant disk surrounding the planet. But as we get closer, we can see that they're actually made up of billions of individual particles, ranging in size from tiny ice grains to massive boulders. Imagine a cosmic ballet, with countless icy dancers swirling around Saturn in perfect harmony. That's what it's like to witness these rings up close. These rings aren't just beautiful to look at, they're also a scientific goldmine. They hold clues to the formation of our solar system and the processes that shape planets. Hold on to your hats, space travelers, because we're about to take a dip into Saturn's atmosphere. Don't worry, our spacecraft is equipped with the latest heat shields and atmospheric stabilizers. As we plunge through the upper layers, we encounter swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium, whipped into a frenzy by powerful winds that travel faster than 1,000 miles per hour. Look, lightning bolts are flashing through the clouds, illuminating the turbulent atmosphere with an eerie glow. It's a breathtaking but slightly terrifying display of nature's power. Our instruments are hard at work, analyzing the composition of Saturn's atmosphere, measuring its temperature and pressure, and searching for clues to its internal structure. We may not be able to land on this gas giant, but we're sure gathering some valuable data. Saturn isn't just about the rings, folks. It's also home to a fascinating family of over 146 moons, each with its own unique personality. Just like with Jupiter, the number of moons is constantly increasing as new small moons are discovered. There's Titan, the largest of Saturn's moons and the only moon in our solar system known to have a dense atmosphere. Then there's Enceladus, a tiny moon with a secret. It's spewing plumes of water vapor from its south polar region, hinting at a possible ocean beneath its icy surface. And how about Mimas, the Death Star moon? It gets its nickname from a giant crater that dominates one side, making it look strikingly similar to the infamous Star Wars space station. We can't forget about Iapetus, the yin-yang moon. One side of Iapetus is as dark as asphalt, while the other side is as bright as snow, making it one of the most puzzling objects in our solar system. Our next stop takes us to Titan, Saturn's largest moon and a world shrouded in mystery. Titan is so big it's even larger than the planet Mercury. As we descend through Titan's thick, hazy atmosphere, we're greeted by a landscape that looks strangely familiar yet alien at the same time. Instead of water, rivers and lakes of liquid methane and ethane flow across Titan's surface, carving channels and forming vast seas. Imagine a world where natural gas falls from the sky like rain. Beneath its hazy veil, Titan might hold clues to the building blocks of life. Some scientists believe that Titan's unique chemistry could harbor exotic life forms, completely different from anything we've ever seen on Earth. Our exploration of Titan is just beginning, but one thing is for sure. This moon is a treasure trove of scientific discovery, and we can't wait to uncover more of its secrets. For millennia, Saturn has captivated observers of the night sky. Long before telescopes, ancient civilizations gazed upon this wandering star, weaving its movements into their myths and legends. The Babylonians, renowned for their astronomical observations, meticulously tracked Saturn's movements across the celestial tapestry. They named the planet Ninib after their deity of agriculture, associating its cycle with the rhythms of the seasons. Across the world, the ancient Greeks identified Saturn with Cronus, the god of time, perhaps inspired by its slow and steady progression across the night sky. Saturn's association with time, destiny, and the cycle of life permeated their mythology. As we explore Saturn today, we do so as inheritors of this long legacy of observation and wonder, adding our own chapter to the unfolding story of this celestial giant. Our journey through history takes us to the year 1610, when the Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei pointed his rudimentary telescope toward Saturn, forever changing our understanding of this distant world. Imagine Galileo's astonishment when, instead of a single point of light, he observed Saturn flanked by two mysterious appendages. His telescope, though groundbreaking for its time, wasn't powerful enough to resolve the true nature of these strange protrusions. He described them as ears, speculating that Saturn might be a triple-bodied system. His observations, though initially enigmatic, sparked a wave of curiosity and debate among astronomers. Galileo's observations marked a pivotal moment in the scientific revolution, demonstrating the power of new technologies to challenge long-held beliefs and unveil the universe's hidden wonders. The true nature of Saturn's ears remained a mystery for decades, fueling speculation and debate among astronomers. Some theorized that they were moons, while others imagined them to be vast, undiscovered continents. It wasn't until 1655 when the Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens, armed with a more powerful telescope, finally resolved the enigma. He correctly deduced that Saturn was encircled by a thin, flat ring, tilted at an angle to our line of sight. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized our understanding of Saturn and paved the way for future generations of astronomers to unravel the mysteries of these majestic rings. Huygens' achievement serves as a testament to the power of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what we know and challenging us to see the universe with fresh eyes. From Galileo's first blurry glimpses to Huygens' groundbreaking revelation, the story of Saturn's discovery is a testament to the enduring power of human curiosity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. Over the centuries, astronomers like Giovanni Cassini, William Herschel, and countless others have added their names to the annals of Saturnian exploration. They discovered new moons, mapped its rings in intricate detail, and revealed the complex dynamics of its atmosphere. Today, we stand on the shoulders of these scientific giants, equipped with even more powerful tools and technologies to probe the depths of Saturn's mysteries. Our journey is far from over, and the ringed planet continues to beckon us with its allure, promising untold discoveries yet to be made. Hold on to your helmets, space explorers, because our journey to Saturn isn't just about science and discovery, it's also about stories. Long before telescopes, ancient cultures gazed upon Saturn in the night sky and wove tales of gods, monsters, and celestial wonders. In Greek mythology, Saturn was known as Cronus, the king of the Titans. Cronus was a powerful but paranoid ruler who feared his own children would overthrow him. Talk about daddy issues. To prevent this, Cronus devoured his children whole. Yikes. Thankfully, his wife Rhea managed to save their son Zeus, who eventually defeated Cronus and became the ruler of the gods. This epic power struggle among the gods played a central role in Greek mythology, shaping their beliefs about fate, destiny, and the nature of time. Across the ancient world, Saturn's appearance in the night sky held special significance. Its slow, majestic movement through the constellations inspired awe and wonder, leading to its association with agriculture, abundance, and the passage of time. The Romans, who inherited many of their myths from the Greeks, named Saturn after their god of agriculture. They celebrated Saturnalia, a week-long festival in December, to honor him and to give thanks for the year's harvest. During Saturnalia, social norms were turned upside down. People exchanged gifts, slaves were temporarily freed, and feasting and revelry were encouraged. Think of it as the ancient Roman version of Christmas and New Year's Eve combined. Saturnalia was a time to celebrate the bounty of the earth, the cycle of the seasons, and the promise of renewal and growth in the year to come. From the Titans of Greek mythology to the Roman god of agriculture, Saturn has captivated human imagination for centuries. These myths and legends, passed down through generations, remind us that our fascination with the cosmos extends far beyond scientific inquiry. Saturn's rings, those celestial hula hoops, have inspired countless works of art, music, and literature. They represent the unknown, the mysterious, and the boundless possibilities of the universe. The stories we tell about Saturn, both ancient and modern, reflect our deepest hopes, fears, and aspirations. They remind us that science and mythology are not mutually exclusive, but rather two sides of the same coin, both driven by a shared desire to understand our place in the cosmos. As we continue our exploration of Saturn, let's remember that every image we capture, every measurement we take, adds a new verse to the grand cosmic poem that began billions of years ago. And just like that, our grand adventure to Saturn comes to an end. It's time to fire up the engines, bid farewell to the ringed giant, and begin our journey back to Earth. As we leave Saturn behind, let's take a moment to reflect on all that we've learned. We've explored its majestic rings, danced among its moons, and delved into its fascinating history, both scientific and mythological. We've seen that Saturn is more than just a celestial object. It's a source of endless wonder, scientific inquiry, and artistic inspiration. It's a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the countless mysteries it still holds. So, fasten your seatbelts one last time, space explorers. We're heading home, carrying with us a treasure trove of knowledge, memories, and a renewed sense of wonder for the cosmos. Until our next adventure, keep looking up.